Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices slipped after a US government agency forecast steady US oil demand in 2025, while lifting its forecast for supply. Declines were limited by new US sanctions on Russian oil exports to India and China. The dollar fell against the euro, but was still hovering near its highest level in more than 2 years, as the first of two inflation readings this week provided little assurance the US Federal Reserve will soon cut interest rates. Circle's USD coin stablecoin outpaced all other stablecoins in terms of market capitalization growth in 2024, after a decline in 2023. The circulation of USD coin grew 78% year over year, outpacing the growth of all global stablecoins.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's 10Y bond auction will be released at 10:30 GMT. The UK's Producer Price Index at 7 GMT. The French Consumer Price Index at 7:45 GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index will be released at 23:50 GMT. Finland's Gross Domestic Product at 6 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 12 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.